Hi everybody, I'm Jim Palumbo, principal at the MSAP school here in the Syracuse City School District. And I'm representing one of our teachers, Pat Gillette, who has successfully applied for an Ed Foundation grant to start a fishing program at our school. At our school, we are trying to teach not just academics, but very good life skills. Social and emotional health is something that we strive for at our building, and we feel that an activity in the outdoors such as fishing teaches wellness and is a lifelong skill that our students can use to keep themselves relaxed, calm, and well throughout their lives. Today, in the activities you're seeing in the gym is the first startup of our spring program as our kids are getting ready to learn the basics of fishing. This is basically our second casting lesson, and you'll see varying degrees of success with kids hitting the targets as planned and some kids who are still casting at 12 o'clock, but for some reason their lure ends up at 7:30. And we will continue working on that skill as the snow melts and we are getting ready for the April 1st, which is the start of fishing season, and our approach to lifelong wellness and a great skill that our students will be able to use all the way through their lives.